Joy, I see the video we just post. Again, they talk about Mary. Joy, what is your problem? What be your problem? I think Joy Mary don't come off for house for you, or she come back again. Even if she come back again, is it for you to carry camera begin to talk? May you pity yourself, pity the pikin wey dey your womb. If let's say, I don't know, your mother need to call you to order. People that is close to you need to call you to order. I don't really know what is exactly your problem. Mary, no, they talk about you. I don't know if she's talking about you, but I never see the video. But you, rest in Jesus' name. Rest. You like this drag way that they drag you. Rest in Jesus' name. Guys, make una watch. Waiting Mary waiting Joy they talk for this video. We don't say Mary they rude, fine, but rest in Jesus' name. Pity yourself. Pity the pikin way they your womb. That is only what I have to say to you. But if you don't want to pity yourself and pity the pikin way they your womb, you can continue. Guys, please share this video when you come across this video. Do not forget to follow me on my page, Linda Gist TV. Listen to waiting Joy the talk for this video, which I do not support you one bit. You're supposed to keep quiet. I have told you before, stay off camera. Keep quiet for God's sake. Joy, keep quiet for God's sake. Please. I'm not talking because of you, because of the pikin way you carry for your womb. Please keep quiet. So guys, share this video. Do not forget to drop your comments. See you, my people. Mommy to you now. Bye bye.
Leave your husband at home.
Joy, you
came all the way just to come and fight a pregnant woman.
Cover your mouth. What is your problem? I don't understand.
At least any moment from now, the other one is going to leave. So
pregnant. You don't
I can't just wait.
Keep quiet. You don't want to take care
so
of
that
yourself.
me and my unborn child and my husband can have peace of mind.
Big mommy.
It's obvious that woman came for a mission. It's so obvious.
Joy, they do.
It's obvious there is something she came to do.
They will give you
that woman did not come with empty hand.
What is this?
She did not, I suspect. Because how can you leave everything you are doing just to come over? All the old conversation and the topic, everything is all about me.
Stop dragging Mary.
Secretary this, secretary that. So I love her, see frame everywhere.
It's
obvious that it's all about me.
Stay on your lane.
If you have come to see your daughter and say, oh, my daughter, oh, don't worry, it's fine. I know even go vex. But everything when you talk now, me. My unborn child, the marriage, everything, blah, blah, blah. It's all about me.
Cover your mouth.
If you ask Mama now, say, what I do you? Mama no go give you any point at all.
You don't want to keep quiet. You don't want to take care of yourself.
Mommy, property, we're sharing it. Do and sign. Mama, what's it concern you?
What is your problem?
Okay, make me say now your business because now you're picking. Fine.
You see this
video? You're not even helping her.
If you ask, your eye go clear. What is this?
Now I know where her character came from.
What is your problem?
The so-called big mommy.
What is your problem?
Where you're picking, they tell me say yes, I get Mama like her. Even your Mama see my Mama.
For God's sake.
But my mother cannot agree.
Dragging Mary.
When they say she won't get crazy for you though, she can never act that way.
Stay on your lane.
Not when things.
Or you don't want to stay on it. Continue.
Or
now you know
acting that way to a pregnant woman. My mom is not going to do that. Never.
Joy. You don't go cover your mouth.
So please.
Cover your mouth.
Now that you are here, at least for the meantime you will leave.
Woman that is pregnant.
Hold yourself.
You don't want to keep quiet.
Hold yourself.
Joy,
make it see where you may never leave here. So.
Big mommy. What
like
is
I
your
said
problem?
before,
I'm
only respecting my husband. No, who are no go respect for this house. Not only him, I feel respect. That's the only reason why I'm calm.
I don't understand. What is your problem?
That's the only reason why I've not done what I want to do to you. Not only him, with unborn child. Let me deliver safely.
Keep quiet for
then
God's sake.
You know that your own madness is still
dragging Mary. Stay
If
on
they
your
learn,
lane.
I they tell you.
Stay on your lane.
If they learn.
Stay on your lane.
No.
Or you don't want to stay on
my own. I will go break cutlass outside. Throw you the cutlass. Then you go know see my craze.
Guys, they see what she did.
Now for Yaba, they for bring me come.
Joy.
Then you go know.
Joy. You know go cover your mouth.
On the work.
Cover your mouth. What is
so your mama don't go?
I don't understand.
Thank God.
Woman,
as you now see there,
you don't want to keep quiet. You don't want to take care of yourself.
Control yourself.
Marry this, marry that, marry big mommy, marry
you can't
big
control
mommy.
it. You can't.
What is your problem? Make una see.
Control yourself.
You see this video where you do so, they will give you.
Get a person go do. She go dey ask yourself, say,
I don't understand.
How this person take marry you? Even if you weren't like this before, what caused it?
Joy,
what happened?
One place.
It's
Keep
all your
quiet,
fault.
For God's sake.
Stop
dragging me.
Stay
on your lane. Stay on your lane. Stay on your lane.
Pride.
You don't want to stay on it. Continue. Now you know.
Pride.
Now you know. Guys, now they see what she did. Okay. Joy. You know go cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. What is your problem? I don't understand. Woman that is pregnant, you don't want to keep quiet. You don't want to take care of yourself. Joy, marry this, marry that, marry big mommy, marry not big mommy. What is your problem? Make una see with it. Joy they do. You see this video where you do so, they will give you bars, but your eye go clear. What is this? I don't understand. What be your problem? What be your problem? What is this? Joy, sit down one place. Keep quiet for God's sake. Stop dragging Mary. Stay on your lane. Stay on your lane.
And your problem.
Stay on your lane.
My own is that
you don't want to stay on it. Continue.
As long as you are still in this house.
Know.
Please and please.
Guys,
don't give me a headache.
Okay.
Don't stress me.
Joy. You know go cover your mouth.
Don't.
Cover your mouth. What is your
I know come your life.
I don't understand.
When everything that happened.
You don't want to keep
you
quiet. You
there.
don't want to take care of yourself. Joy, marry this, marry that, marry big mommy, marry not big mommy. So what is your problem? Make una see with it.
If you know, so you know, feel day without not wanting your mouth or ranting or saying or carry water bottle and be blowing it.
I don't understand. What is your
problem? Be blowing it. You cannot blow the water bottle.
What is this?
Or you carry blow, carry nylon, do anything.
Keep quiet for God's sake. Stop dragging Mary. Stay on your lane.
Let all of us respect ourselves in this house.
Stay on your lane. Or you don't want to stay on it. Continue.
With the end,
you know. You know.
Alpha. All the Alpha and she don't go. Your own, there is a reason why we are still leaving you.
You don't go cover your mouth.
Any
cover
moment
your
from now.
Mouth.
You say,
what is your problem? I don't understand. Woman that is pregnant, you don't want to keep quiet. You don't want to take care of yourself. Joy,
that's what I said. I want to sit down.
Not big mommy.
Now wait till I see me.
What is your problem?
That is all I have to say.
Joy, they do. You see this video where you do
so in this house. Why can't you fix it, madam?
I don't understand.
Let me see me break her. I'm not sending you a message, Joe.
What be your problem?
I'm not sending you a message.
What is this? Joy, sit down one place. Keep quiet for God's sake. Stop dragging Mary. Stay on your lane. Stay on your lane. Stay on your lane. Or you don't want to stay on it. Continue. Now you know. Guys, now they see what she did. Okay. Joy. You know go cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. What is your problem? I don't understand. Woman that is pregnant, you don't want to keep quiet. You don't want to take care of yourself. Joy, marry this, marry that, marry big mommy, marry not big mommy. What is your problem? make una see wetin joy dey do.